Painting going on here at the little birdhouse. Going to do a few more of these rough love, just on the small, wooden blocks. I've made a lot in the last few days. Different ones, yeah. They're just sitting in the back room now, they have to dry. So with these rough love ones, I'm thinking about putting some graffiti on, little messages, yeah, like a love heart and a little message on it, Emancipate yourself from mental slavery, none but ourselves can free our minds, that kind of stuff, yeah. It's all good, we like Bob Marley. Old pirates, yes, they rob I, stole I from the merchant ships, minutes after they took I from the bottomless pits, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy. None of them are gonna stop the time. How long will they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Whoa, some say it's just a part of it. We gotta fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption song, these songs of freedom. We all like Bob Marley, don't we? But if you don't like Bob Marley, there's something wrong with you. Must be. Fortunately, most people love his messages, Where are all of those people today, Those people that gave us inspiration, or used to give people inspiration in difficult times, yeah? Where are all the Bob Dylans and the troubadours, Where are all these people that would come up and give stuff out, Feed us. Fucking no more heroes anymore. Well, not as many as there should be, yeah? Every fucker's selling something on the internet now. Take my course and you will be redeemed. You will be enlightened and where are the people, yeah? Where are the inspirations, yeah? Where are the Leonard Cohens, Hallelujah, hallelujah. Where are the protest songs? I mean, you would have thought now, in these times, you'd have lots of protest songs, yeah? Fucking nothing. Nothing. Where's the Clash? Where are the Clash people? Where are the fucking Sex Pistol people. Where are all these people, yeah? Who had something to say. I'm not saying the Sex Pistols were like anything special, but certainly the Clash were. You know, where are all the talky songs, you know? Another brick in the wall, you know? The Waterboys. There's nothing there. I'm not saying we have to go back to anything else, but in these troubling times, difficult times, where are they? Where are they, you know? Where are all the fucking heroes, yeah? Where are all the Muhammad Ali's, yeah? Where are all the Martin Luther Kings? They're just not there. They're not fucking there. Or maybe they're there, then they can't get it out. I don't know what's going on, yeah? It's really weird, yeah? Inspiration, you know? Everyone's on fucking starvation rations of inspiration. Where are the poets? Charles Bukowski. Fucking love Charles Bukowski. You've never heard of Charles Bukowski? You go on YouTube and you check Charles Bukowski, the poet Bukowski. You listen to his stuff on YouTube. Recordings there, you know. Brilliant. Your life is your life. Don't let it be clubbed into dank submission. Be on the watch. There are ways out. There is a light somewhere. It may not be much light, but it beats the darkness. Be on the watch. The gods will offer you chances. Know them, take them. You can't beat death, but you can beat death in life. And sometimes, the more often you learn to do it, the more light there will be. Your life is your life. Know it while you have it. You are marvelous. The God's way to delight in you. You know? I'm just preparing these. I've already painted them, yeah, and then I'll do something later. Don't know what I'll do. I have an idea, but everything I do, I don't try to do, just do, and something happens, you know, with it, yeah? It's kind of enriching in a way, yeah? Like I always say, if one or two people like it, good, that's fantastic, you know? Alright, well, that's good. You know why I do all of these videos? No, it's not because I'm a narcissist and an attention seeker. Because I'm trying to show people and share with people this little journey. But also I'm trying to sell paintings, you know. It's very difficult because I haven't got a big audience. I've only got my friends list, yeah, on Facebook. So I'm sorry if I bore you sometimes, and I know that people get a bit sick when they see another picture or paintings, like, oh, he's done another painting, you know. But the feedback is really good. The private feedback is amazing, and the support privately is really, really good in some quarters, you know. But I do post a lot. I know I post a lot, and I'm sorry if I get on people's nerves, but it's not the intention, yeah. I'm just trying to make a living here. So if you see my art and you like it, hey, you know, if you've never owned any art before, get some. I can post it to you. I have a number of friends who bought numbers of. Some friends have bought 4 pieces, 2 pieces, 1 piece, small, big. Got them in the UK. So, you know. If you see something you like, don't hesitate just to ask, you know, the price. And if the price isn't what you want, well, whatever. But it's not too expensive. It's good. It's good stuff, you know, some of it. Not all of it. Depending on your taste, yeah. Own a piece of art, you own it for life, you know. It's beautiful. It's a good thing. Anyway, I'm thinking about where all of our heroes are, yeah. So sad to hear about this black guy in America. Fucking, that's a fucked up society, isn't it, yeah? Being conditioned to be a selfish society. A lot of Americans are beautiful, great people, don't misunderstand me, but that society has been really badly conditioned, you know, for a long time. It's not the way to live, you see. Racism. Can't stand racism. If you're a racist, get off my Facebook, get out of my face. I hate racism, I really do. You know, black baby, yellow baby, white baby, put them together, they don't know about racism. Yeah, they have to learn it. Yeah, racism isn't a natural, normal thing. Yeah, you have to learn it. When you've been conditioned from a young age, and that's where your prejudices come, you are not aware. You're not aware. You think you're aware, but you're not aware. You've been, your head was hijacked. You know? You don't even know why you hate. And look at the haters as well, yeah? And all the haters in the world, yeah? All the haters. So much hate going on now, yeah? But check the haters out, yeah? They get friendly with all the other haters. You know why? Because they need some love. Even the haters need love. Fucking racist. Awful thing. We were not born with hate. We learned it. Have a nice day. Buy my paintings, please. And share them around, yeah? Tell your friends. Why not? Well, some will, some won't. Have a nice day.